Hi, how are you? I want to welcome you today. Join me in mathematics today. Form 2, Nectar. And this is tutorial. I'm going to help you in solving some exponent topic questions. So I want to help you in this. Mathematics is very simple. You are welcome. Yes, you are given this question. State the base and exponent in each of the following numbers. A, you are given 3 power 10, negative 4 power 2, A power B. Let us go. For A, you have 3 power 10. This number is called the base, and this one, the power of, is called the exponent. Therefore, here, the base is the 3 and 10 is the exponent. So here, the exponent is 10. Let's go for B. B, this one number. Now, can you try? This is the base and this is the exponent. So, negative 4. So here, base is negative 4. And 2 is exponent. So the exponent is 2. How about this one? See? So A is base and B is exponent. Can you try this? Can you try this? Let you try this. D, you are given 5 power negative 6, and E, you are given F power K, which is exponent and which is base among these. Question number 2. So number 2 is write each of the following in expanded form. Write each of the following in expanded form. For A, how will it be? Solution for A, 2 power 3. That is, this is the base and this is the exponent. The exponent shows how many the base will be multiplied. So if the exponent is the 3, so it means 2 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. So this will be 2 times 2 times 2. Yes. Why 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 times? Because of this exponent. So the exponent will determine how many the base will be multiplied by itself. For B, you see, this is a half power 4. So this one, it means if exponent is 4, means this a half will be multiplied by itself 4 times. So this is a half times a half times a half times a half 4 times. So that is the answer. And the expanded form for C, K exponent 7. So for C, K exponent 7, this is, it means if the exponent is 7, means K will multiply itself 7 times. So this is saying K times K times K times K 4 times K 5 times times K 6 times times K 7 times. So that is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question. Now I can give you, I want to give you another just a quiz. Can you do this for yourself? D, do this one. H power 4 and E M power 6.
Yes, so we are continuing with question number 3. Find the value of n in each of the following exponential. Yeah, so we have A, 2 power n plus 1 equals to 64, and B, 4 power n equals to 16. C, n add 3 in bracket power 2 equals to 5 power 2. Yeah, and the D, it is a half power negative 3 equals to 8 power n. So all of these, we are required to find the values of n. I am going to show you the simple tricks how to solve this. Yeah, A, let's go for A here. A, it is, you are given 2 power n plus 1 equals to 64. So the main solution here is to find the base, to make sure that this base you can factorize this number to get this base. So it will be 2n plus 2 power n plus 1 equals to this one. You can factorize 64. 64 can be factorized by 2, you get there 32, by 2 you get 16, by 2 8, by 2 4, and by 2 2. By 2 1. So you have got how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. They are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This number 64 is equal to this number. Now I can write this number in exponential form this way. This one, it is 2 power 6. Yes. So now by comparing the bases, this base and this are the same, so we can cancel them out. Canceling by 2 by 2, you get this exponents. N plus 1 equals to 6. Therefore, this is a algebraic equation. So 1 to another side. So n equals to 6 minus 1. Therefore, n equals to 5. So in the question A, you have got n equals to 5. Wow.
Let's go for B.
In B, you are given 4 power n equals to 16. So the same solution, the same technique is applied here. You find you have to factorize this by 4 so that you get the factors of 4. 16 by, so 16 now, by 4 you get there 4, and by 4 it is 1. So this one is like saying 4 power n equals to 4 times 4. Therefore, 4 power n equals to 4 times 4 is the same apply as we write 4 power 2 or 4 square. So comparing the same bases, this 4 and this 4 are cancelled out, and now it is 1. So now compare this one, the exponents, n equals to 2. Therefore, n equals to 2. Yes, so that is for B. Let's go for C. Okay, so now let us proceed with question C. Here, n plus 3 in the bracket squared equals to 5 squared. We are required to find the value of n. So now we go. This is taking that n plus 3, all of this squared equals to 5 squared. Yeah. So look at this equation. The same squares, so they can be cancelled out because they are the same. So if the same squared in each side, or you can under root every side. So under root in here, this one will cancel out. Let's say n plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared, under root in both sides. This one under this one. So this under root will remain as n plus 3 equals to 5. Yes, this and this cancel out. Therefore, n, this one shifted to another side, will be n equals to 5 minus 3. Therefore, n equals to 2. That is the answer. Let us proceed with number D. Yes, D, you are given there a half power negative 3 equals to 8 power n. Go there, a half power negative 3, yes, equals to 8 power n. Do you know? Always 1 over a is equal to a power negative 1. This principle, reciprocal of this. So 1 over a is equal to a power 1, power negative 1. So the same applies we can do here. So this is like saying here, 1 over 2 will be like 2 power negative 1. Then this one bracket power negative 3 equals to 8 power n. So opening the bracket here, this will be negative 1 times negative 3 because they are all exponents. So this will be negative 1 times negative 3. This will be positive 3 equals to 8 power n. Factorize 8. 8 can be factorized by 2, 4, by 2, 2, by 2. So you get there 2 power 3 equals to 2 power 3. All of these power n. 8 power n. Yes. Comparing the bases, so you will find that these 2 and 2 are the same. So here it is, okay, 2 power 3 equals to 2 power 3n. The same bases, cancel them, therefore you get the same exponent. 3 is equal to 3n. Divide by 3 both sides, you will find that n equals to 1. So that is, yes. Let's go for question number 5. The question number 4. Okay, so this is question number 4. Solve the following equations of exponents. You are given these ways. So let us solve them. Start with A. So A, you are given there 2 power x equals to 4 power x minus 3. Okay? Yeah. So as usual, we have to find to factorize the big number so that you get the small number by factorizing into simple factors. So this one will be 2 power x equals to 4. 4 is like saying 2 square. This one, and then x minus 3. Okay. Again here, you will find that 2 power x equals to, here, opening the bracket, you will find that it is 2. 2 times x, it is 2x. 2 times negative 3, it will be minus 6. Yes. Simplifying, the same bases cancelled out, therefore you find that x equals to 2x minus 6. Collecting the like terms, 6 to this side and x another side, so this will be 6 equals to x, there will be 2x minus x. Therefore, 6 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 6. Yeah, so this will be. And let's go for B. Go for B. That is 1 minus x power 2x equals to 1 minus x power a half. Yes. Look, when you look carefully at this question, at this equation, you found that this base and this base are the same. So you can cancel them out. Then you find the radical, the exponents. You can compare the exponent, 2x compared to this one. Therefore, to get the value of x will be equal to a half, then times 1 over 2 times, this will be divided by 2, so that is, therefore x equals to 1 over 4. So that is the answer. Can you try for C? Yes, try. I'm waiting for you. Okay, let us go. Then for C, we are given that 1 power 1 over 3 over x equals to 81 power negative 1. As usual, from the now you can interchange that from 1 over a equals to a power negative 1. So you can either interchange this into normal or normal integers into this way, or you can change this into this way. So you can decide whatever you do. For example, let's take 1 over a is equal to this. So 1 over 3 power negative 1 in the bracket power x equals to 81 power negative 1. So this one, open in the bracket there, will be 3 power negative x. Negative 1 times x, negative x, equals to this one. This 81, when factorized in this one, will be 3 power 4. So this number, 81 power negative 1. 3 power negative x will be equals to, therefore open the bracket, it will be 3, 4 times negative 1, negative 4. Comparing the same bases, these bases, they are the same, so they cancel out, you get there. Now comparing the exponents, negative x is equal to negative 4. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, both sides, x will be equal to positive 4. So that is the value of x. That is for C. And now we have D. You can do it by yourself. Thank you. You can comment anything there in my section. Comment by reply by giving the answer of this, or you can comment by asking which topics will you prefer for to get tutorials of any topic that you want. I will do it for you. Thank you.